good morning. Today we shall start exercise number 13.1. Okay? What is in exercise 13.1? Surface area of combination of solids. Surface area of combination of solids. We shall start surface area of combination of solids. इसमें क्या होता है कि हो सकता है कि आपको एक कोन दिया हो, उसके ऊपर हेमिस्फीयर हो. मे बी अ सिलेंडर इज देयर surmounted by hemisphere. Cylinder is surmounted by cone. Okay, so these type of questions are there. Okay, so let us see first question. Example you have to solve. Okay, you must solve examples. See, two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube. Exercise 13.1, question number 1. Two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Two cubes. There are two cubes having volume is 64. So the volume of cube is 64 centimeter cube. Okay. So what is the age of the cube? As you know, a cube is equal to 64, so it will be 4 centimeter. This means this is the age of the cube. Now two cubes are joined together. आपके पास यहाँ पे दो क्यूब को यहाँ पे ज्वाइन कर दें, ठीक है ना? तो ये यहाँ होगा दो क्यूब. तो इसमें क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? Length is same, breadth is same. Okay, otherwise you can take height is same, breadth is same, but length is what? Double, na? So only change in length. Suppose length is 4 plus 4 centimeter, that means 8 centimeter, but breadth is simply 4 and height is 4. And now you know very well what is the surface area of cuboid. Surface area of cuboid is 2 times LB plus BH plus HL. Now find it. Okay, इसको आप कैलकुलेट करें. Plus BH, HL 2 times L. Length is 8 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 4 into 8. So this is 2 times 32 plus 16 plus 32. So how much it is? 82 into 80. So this is 160 centimeters. Okay? This is 160 centimeters. Yes, sir? So please solve it. Now next question is, have you any doubt in this exercise? Anyone who has solved? Anuj, any doubt in this exercise? No? Okay. So suppose third one, okay? Second you have to do yourself. Third one. A toy is in the form of a cone. A toy is in the form of a cone. Let's see. A toy is in the form of cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on hemisphere of the same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the joy. Okay, so we have given a cone with radius 3.7 and a hemisphere is this twice mounted by a hemisphere with same radius. Okay, this is the twilight. Clear? एक तो कह रहा हूँ twilight जो कोन के फॉर्म में है उसके फॉर्म में है वो हेमिस्फीयर. The total length is 15.5 centimeter. Okay, the total length is 15.5 centimeter. And what you want to ask? Find the total surface area of the toy. So what will be the total surface area of toy? You know, the total surface area of toy is nothing but curved surface area of cone, okay, plus surface area of CSA of hemisphere. You know, CSA and PSA both exist for hemisphere. CSA means curved surface area 2 pi r square, and if you consider the whole hemisphere, then this 3 pi r square. Why 3 pi r square? Because pi r square is that particular surface which is lying on the top. Okay, so this will be the CSA of cone required surface area of toy. Area of toy. This is nothing but CSA of cone and plus CSA of hemisphere. CSA of hemisphere. Okay, and this is nothing but pi RL is the surface area of cone. Pi RL you know, class 9, and 2 pi r. So first you find L. What is L? This is 3.5. Okay, and the height of cone is also given. Find the total surface area. What is the form of the cone? Radius is 0.1. So 0.1. The height of the cone is nothing but this is 3.4. Then the radius is same. That's why this is 3.4. So what will be the height? 15 minus x is equal to 15 minus 15.5 minus 3.5. And this is what? 12 centimeter. This is the. Okay. So you calculate L here. So L is nothing but L is under root x square plus r square. H is what? 12 square plus r square is 3.5 whole square. Okay, and this is what? 144 plus how much it is? 3.5 whole square. कितना होगा इसका? 3.5 multiplied by 3.5. How much? 12.25. So 12.25, and this is nothing but 2, 6, 5, 1, 156.25. Okay, and find the what? Square root of this. Find it. What is the square root? Surface area, that means CSA of the cone is pi RL pi RL plus 2 pi R square. So pi RL 22/7 into R is 3.5 and L is 12.3 plus 2 into pi 22/7 into R is 3.5 whole square. Okay. Now you can calculate and get the understood. So what will be the answer? This is 2 11 multiplied by 0. After calculating this you will get 11 multiplied by this 5, 11 to the 22 and 5 27, 11 11 and 27 30, 137.5, yes, 137.5 and plus this is what 2 into 22/7 into 3.5 into 3.5. So this will be 2 to 11, 11 to the 22. So multiplied by 30, 137.5 plus, okay, 137.5 plus, this is what? 11 5 1 7, this is 7, so 77, okay? So this is 7 7 14, 7 into 10 1 and 7 into 11 and 1 1 2 214.5. Please match the answer, okay? Answer match how much? 214.5. So this is correct answer, okay? Now note down. So I hope you may complete it. Okay. Now next one. Next question is, I am going to tell you question number 8. Okay. बाकी जो बच रहा है वो आप ट्राई करिएगा, मैं बता दूंगा. Question number 8. From a solid cylinder whose height is from a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter is 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height and the same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. From a solid, this is the question number 8 from the exercise 13.1. Right, first question number 8 from the exercise 13.8.1. Question number 8, exercise 13.1. 13.1 and okay, 13.1 exercise question number 8. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter. Okay. From a solid cylinder, that means this is your cylinder and and a cone is hollowed. That means the height of the cylinder is 2.4 meter or centimeter, whatever it is given. Okay, 2.4 centimeter, and a hollow cone is what? A cone is hollowed, मतलब उसमें ड्रिल करके ना, ड्रिल करके क्या बनाया जा रहा था? एक कोन बनाया जा रहा है. ये ड्रिल किया और एक कोन ड्रिल कर दिया यहाँ. ये कोन ड्रिल किया, ठीक है ना? If radius is given, what is radius? Diameter is what? Diameter is 1.4 centimeters. So radius is what? 1.4 by 2. This is 0.7 centimeters. This is the radius. Height is already given. So what is the total surface area of this particular part? तो surface area का concept क्या होता है पता है? What is surface area actually? Whatever part you have to seen by your eye, this is the surface area. तो आप उस particular shape को देखो, hollow cylinder को देखो, तो आप कितने पार्ट को देख सकते हो? बाहर का उसका कर्व सरफेस एरिया देखोगे, किसका? सिलेंडर का. You have see the curved surface area of cylinder and the area of the base also. Okay, and curved surface area of what? Cone. Okay, so required area is nothing but required surface area. This is nothing but CSA of cone, TSA of cylinder minus area of base. You can write like this also. No problem. है ना? Either CSA of cylinder, CSA of cone plus base का square, या फिर base के square को हटा, मतलब base area को हटा दो. Did you get? So find it. Everything is given. L you have to find here. Radius is 0.7 and this is height is 2.4. So L is what? Under root h square plus r square. 2.4 square plus r square is 0.7 whole square. Okay, and you find it, and then everything is given. You can find the answer. Okay. So next you see the solution. That means L is, you pata na, 576, 49, 0.49, 5.76. This is 6.25 maybe. 6.25. Okay. So this is what? 2.5 meter. No? Length is L is 2. Clear? Okay. Because this is 5.76. This is 0.49. So next you have the CSA of cone मिल जाएगा, CSA of PSA of cylinder. So everything you write here. Pi r L 2 pi r h plus r and minus pi r square. Okay. So this will what? Pi कॉमन ले ले हर जगह से बेटा. R भी हर जगह से कॉमन है. Pi r is common from each and every term. So what we will have? L plus 2 pi be common 2 h plus r minus pi r is common, so simply r is there. Okay. So if we take pi r, then L plus 2h plus 2r minus r. So this will be nothing but pi r L plus h 2h plus r. So put the value 22/7. R is what? 0.7. L is what? 2.5. Height is what? 2.4. That means plus 4.8 plus r is 0.7. Okay. Clear? So you calculate. This is cancelled out. 22/10 हो जाएगा ये 2.5 4.8 ये होगा आपका तो हो जाएगा 5.5 5.5 2.5 6 to 8 ओके 2 11 5 88/5 so this is 5 1 5 3 5 7 73.6 centimeters square maybe this is the answer 73.6 centimeters square okay so thank you for today.